I'm starting off this DIY project with pool noodles from the Dollar Tree. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut these pool noodles into two with a sharp blade. After that, I'm going to be painting all of them black. This is a foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I will be cutting this to size for my project. This is also a mirror that I'm going to be using in the middle, and I'm going to be measuring where I need it to be, and then cutting out the foam board to fit the specifications of the mirror and the pool noodles that I had just cut and painted. Now I'm going to be gluing on the pool noodles to the foam board with hot glue. I'm applying the hot glue to make sure that it touches the pool noodles on these sides. I added the second piece besides it. For the top and for the bottom, I'm going to be measuring out the pool noodle to size and cutting them before gluing them down. I'm going to be making a mark that's close to 45 degrees. That's going to be my guide when I'm adding the embellishments. At this point, I realized that it would be better to have the mirror glued in the middle before I continue. So that's what I did. I went ahead to glue on the mirror in the middle before putting on the last pieces of the pool noodle cutouts. I also made the marks that's going to guide me here when I'm going to be putting on the embellishments on this other side too as well. Now this is the mirror that I'm trying to recreate, and it's a requested video that I've had for about 2 years, so I'm going to go ahead to attempt this. But I was thinking about using these gems, but they are way smaller, and these ones are much better because they're larger and they have more sparkle. These are upholstery crystal buttons that I'm going to be using to fill up the pool noodle, and the link for that is going to be down in the description box below. The reason why I picked up this request was because the lady did say that she has seen recreations for this particular DIY mirror that did not turn out close to the picture at all. So I was trying to see if I can have something that I can use that will be cost effective and with items that you can also get from the Dollar Tree, like pool noodles, and using upholstery buttons to just finish the job. And the pool noodles, as you can see, have curves that's going to make the upholstery buttons also form the curve like you see in the mirror that they sell at Hobby Lobby. After cutting the pool noodle, I had to make it double on each side so that I can have a wider space for the embellishments. I was done on one side, now I'm going to repeat the same thing for the other side. As you can see, you can give the embellishments a nice curved surface to sit on thanks to the pool noodle. When I was done, I painted the exposed parts of the pool noodles black. If I used a full-length pool noodle on each side of the mirror, this would have been perfect for a floor mirror, but because it's not too long, I will be mounting this on a wall. At the back, I made a hole, and I made sure that the hole was going to go through the foam board and getting to the pool noodle. Now, I will be having a mending plate over this to make sure that this stays strong when it's against the wall. And I forgot to mention that the upholstery buttons, when they are in a large quantity, it's kind of heavy. So I'm going to be doing this and using a long nail to mount what I have here to the wall. There are other ways to mount this to the wall, of course, like this item over here, but then you would have to have this attached to wood and not the foam board because of the weight. I have used those crystal buttons for another project not too long ago, and the link for that is going to be down in the description box below. Like I said earlier in the video, if you want the mirror to be really long, you're going to have to use the full-length pool noodle on both sides and a Walmart mirror to give you a nice floor mirror that's going to look close to the real thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button